welcome back to EL Conversation Academy.
I'm asking you because I would really like to spend some time with you.
So, first thing, can I get your cell phones, please? Thank you.
You've been photographed before, right? Take your time. How about we just start with your name, okay?
My name is Edward Joseph Snowden. I'm 29 years old.
Have you ever committed a crime for which you weren't caught?
No.
Do you believe the United States is the greatest country in the world?
Yes.
Why do you want to join the CIA?
The internet is technology that has the power to let everyone in the world understand each other.
Let's try again. Why do you want to join the CIA?
Well, frankly, sir, it sounds really cool to have top security clearance.
Stop the vehicle. Shut off the engine. Need to see your ID?
Do you want, anything?
No. Let's go for a walk. Don't be shy.
Angela is a mature, intelligent, understanding woman.
I'm just not happy anymore.
Okay. At least just let me say my piece.
Of course, yeah.
I don't know what to say.
Well, you know you can call me anytime. But I'm gonna go.
Okay. Let me say my piece. Well, what about the fact that you are my favorite person? You felt all that about me too. What about all that?
I still think we should break up.
Right. That was a bust. Okay, think about it for 1 second. What is your heart telling you?
That we should break up.
Ignore your heart. What is your head telling you to do?
Break up.
I get it.
Zoe, please don't ever do that again. I was so afraid something happened to you.
To be late for your first class on your first day of school, what does that indicate? Perhaps what it indicates is a lack of respect. You see, I'm going to be here every day for you, and so I expect you to be here for me. On time, no excuses. Put that down.
Wait.
Now, this class is social studies. Believe me. What does the world mean to you? Well, let me ask you another question. How often do you think about things that happen outside of this town? You watch the news? Yes? No? Good point. What's your name?
Trevor.
What does the world expect of you?
Nothing.
Nothing. My God, boys and girls, he's absolutely right.
Get out of my house! What is this assignment?
Excuse me?
What did you tell my son to make him bring a homeless man into my house?
I have two problems. One, I have absolutely no idea what you're talking about, and two, I don't know who you are. You are.
Arlene McKinney, my boy is in your social studies class. Trevor?
Trevor. Yes, he's very attentive. He's very exigent. Well, I don't know My suggestion to you is if you want to know, why don't you go home and talk to your son?
Hey, I talked to him.
Really? It's not a state secret.
What are you doing on my truck?
Let me show you. I'm just gonna open the door, okay?
I didn't ask for your help. What is going on with you and my son? Don't do that. Would you like a cup of coffee?
Yes, ma'am.
Please come out, Jerry.
Oh, hello.
Did you know I worked here?
No, I didn't. Really. This is complicated.
I get it. Hey, do you look down on me? What? Do you look down on me? Don't talk to me like that.
I'm sorry, but that's the way I talk.
You don't see me.
My life is familiar. My life is... it's manageable. Trevor, you cut my class.
It's been 4 days.
What's been 4 days?
Why haven't you called my mother? It's been 4 days.
I don't know. Hey, what's the matter? Trevor, sometimes there's nothing we can do.
Not if someone's there. Instead of him. I just wanted to see if the world would really change.
What? Hey, what are you doing? I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh, please. Go away. Trust me. I'm not worth it.
Have a cup of coffee with me?
What?
Do me a favor. Save my life.
Please, can we just sit down and talk?
Okay. I feel like I gotta give him a chance
A chance? A chance for what?
to change.
My father got on his knees and begged my mother, and my mother, she always took him back. I never understood it.
Sorry. I think I made a mistake.
Everybody makes mistakes.
Look, you don't understand everything, all right?
Give her another chance. You don't care.
Yes, I do. I will always care about you, always.
I forgive you.
Ronnie, promise me you'll make an effort, okay?
Whoa! You live on the beach? That is awesome!
Oh, that's right. We have 2 children.
You have no idea.
She'll make the right decision.
I'm glad you're so sure. We hurt them, Steve. Especially Ronnie.
Things happen. Nobody's perfect. Ronnie will be fine.
Ronnie never opens any of your letters.
Really? Do you know what that is?
Dad, I'm not a little kid anymore.
I'm going to bed. Get out of my room!
This is our room. Hey, Ron.
What?
Don't get mad, okay? Can you just be a little nicer to Dad? I just really don't want to lose him again.
Jonah, you never lost Dad, okay? Jonah, you never lost Dad, okay?
Ronnie, can I talk to you?
Sure.
Where were you?
Out. What's with all your smiling lately? Seriously, it's creepy.
Is my smile creepy?
Well, I don't know. Let's see it.
I'm doing it.
Kinda. But I think you need to show teeth.
Thanks for watching. Comment, share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Take care.